Now that you have received your KULA tokens in your ICO account, it is time to verify your identity and address. Select Settings from the menu, and click on Edit Details. Complete all fields and select Update Profile. We recommend protecting your account with two-factor authentication. Open or download the Google Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code. Once you have secured your account, you can select KYC verification from the menu. Make sure to have a clear picture of your identity and address document stored on your device. The address document should not be older than 3 months. Select the country that has issued your identity document, and the document type. If you are accessing the site from your computer, you can select to continue on your phone by clicking the button. Copy a link to your mobile browser, scan the QR code with your phone, or continue on your desktop. For the next step, you need to allow the application to make use of your camera or webcam and follow the process. Face the camera. Ensure your face is within the frame. Then, slowly turn your head around in a circle. Now upload your proof of address document. Note that we only accept a utility bill, bank statement, or official government-issued document in your name and address, not older than 3 months. Please check the information to make sure everything is correct, or edit as required. If the verification fails, the application tells you why, and allows you to correct the data or upload new documentation. Note that it may take up to 10 minutes for the system to verify your documents. You do not need to stay on the page for the verification to complete. If you are unable to verify, please contact our friendly customer support team via customer service@kulaplaza.com.